What if I told you there's a completely legal way to eliminate most, or even all, of your income taxes while building wealth through real estate? Hi, I'm Natalie from CKRE Group. It's called the short-term rental loophole, or STR, and it's one of the secrets wealthy investors use. Buy a property worth $1 million and operate it as a short-term rental business instead of a traditional long-term rental. Because you're running it as a business, you qualify for accelerated depreciation through a cost segregation study. Under the new law, you can depreciate about 30% of the property's value in year one. That means, on a $1 million property, you could take around $300,000 in depreciation. If you earned $300,000 in income, that deduction could completely wipe out your tax bill, meaning you pay zero in income taxes for the year. You now own a cash-flowing property that's also appreciating in value, and you're using tax strategy to supercharge your wealth. If you'd like help finding the right short-term rental investment, call us at 408-888-3855. Our CKRE team, with expert guidance and in-house lending support, will help you build wealth one smart move at a time. And just to be clear, we're not giving tax advice here. Always confirm your specific situation with your CPA before taking action.